going to be showing you because I showed you in part 1. But this is part 2. I got my paper boat ready here. But if you need time to make your paper boat, look at our part 1 video. You learn from that. But now I'm going to be making some art mixed with drawing and already made origami. So first thing is to cut out the waves. Cut out the waves. Blah blah, I just made random waves. I don't care about my neat handwriting or anything. I don't care about my drawing. Just give me time to cut this wave out. After you finish cutting the piece of paper, you can take the other piece of paper, throw it in the bin, throw it in the air, rip it in the air, or do whatever you like. I don't care what you do. But after you cut the piece of paper, you stick it here. Then you try to make it stick where you straightly. Okay, I don't really care if it's straightly. I'll just cut it. You can cut it anytime you don't make it straightly. Now I finished making it look neat. Now you have to just paste glue on this, but don't put glue on the triangle. Paste it on, just on those waves. And like this. Next thing is you can just draw whatever you want. Okay, but I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be doing so you can get ideas. I think nearly everyone will be drawing the sun, but you can draw sun like this, or like draw it in the middle, do whatever you want. Draw lines, but that's not actually real, blah blah. Okay, I'll just take a text to color in, because like crayon is not that good, or I will. Okay. That's enough coloring. I don't care if it's not neat. Now, our next thing is to draw birds. I'm just going to be doing it like that and that. Okay. Now, I'm going to be, getting this out. Good. Okay. And like make more waves underneath. And also don't forget to draw creatures underneath your water. Or like in your water. Okay. Now I'm going to make a starfish. It's not... Okay, I need to make it yellow here, you see. I mean, or orange. I'm going to make it orange. It might show a different color, I think. Yeah, it'll show brown. Okay, fine. Because in real life, I think starfish can be brown. So yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to be drawing fish. start talking. Okay. 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 So hard to draw faces in a little hole. Now I'm going to be coloring those things in red. I'll just color the tails in red because it looks like it will cover the face later. Okay. Now the fishes will be. What was it? Okay. It's just yellow, not neon yellow. Or here it shows green, so it's green. Yeah. And then now I'll be drawing windows. Because I'm making it like a cruise or like a Titanic, I think. Okay, so like, okay. And then I'll be drawing men in the top. I'm just going to be drawing the face because they'll be sitting inside the boat. And I'll draw the steering wheel inside. Okay. Let me show you what I did. Look. And if you want to see the steering wheel, where is it? Oh, yeah. Look, do you see it? Thanks for watching. Bye. And also make sure to subscribe. Don't you see this mark? That's where you're going to fold it. Your next fold. Like this.